Hey guys, welcome back to Mike's World. Today we're talking about the sun and the heat and the effects it has on your cameras and electronic devices. It is hot today, 101 degrees right now here where I live, and it's only going to get hotter in the hundreds. And this time of year, yes, your cameras, everything like this, not good to be out in the sun like this. When the sun is blazing, when it's hot outside, using a camera like this can be absolutely detrimental. It can overheat easily. And whether it's sporting events, you're outside fishing or anything else, you've got to protect your gear. And I've got the easy way to show you how to do that right. So this is a little umbrella, attaches to your tripod or camera, and it will give you plenty of shade for all your cameras and devices. Very easy to connect, very easy to mount, can mount anywhere on the tripod, on the camera, up on the camera arm, handle, anywhere like that. And this thing is fantastic. Let me show you how you put it together, and I'll show you how I use it on for my phone as well. Okay, so this is what you get with the kit. Ignore this. This is a mount that I have made for my boat, so I can actually mount a camera on top, so I can mount it to the front of the boat and shoot video while I'm fishing. I will be putting this on that, and I'm going to tell you I'm going to be ordering another one of these because these are fantastic. You get the clamp, spring loaded, very lightweight kind of plastic. It's got some rubber slips in here. It's got a 1/4 screw. You also get a bendable articulating arm with 1/4 on either end. And all you do is screw this in here like this. And then you get this umbrella. You can get different colors. I got the silver, more reflective. It just pops up like this. And on the bottom, it has a hole for a 1/4 screw. So all you do there is screw this into the articulating arm, tighten it really good, and then you have a mount. And all you do is clamp this on your camera anywhere, and you have an umbrella to provide instant shade to your GoPro, your cameras, or any other electronic device, including your iPhone, because we all know how iPhones will absolutely overheat in the sun. Let's see how that's mounted right now. And here you go. So I have my iPhone mounted on a monopod right here, or you can have a tripod, but check this out. So the camera's on, but we're nice up underneath the shade. Don't have to worry about the sun burning up your iPhone. So whether it's your kids' sporting events or any other kind of event or anything you're using with your phone, you have this nice umbrella. These are very inexpensive, very good, and I highly recommend them. I'm going to buy a couple more of them because they're just so great. So guys, I highly recommend these umbrellas. I think you should pick one up. You can get them out at my store, amazon.com/shop/MikesWorld. If you're watching on YouTube, there is a link in the description. And if you're watching this on Facebook, the link to buy one of these is in the first comment. Hope you guys have enjoyed this content. I'll see you next time. Take care.